A customer complained about low stopping power after we machined the brake rotors. Brake pads frequently get blamed for this. The real culprits though are incorrectly finished rotors. Rotor machining requires several standard steps before refitting to the vehicle. After machining, the following steps are critical for a quality job. After machining, clean the disc with 240 grit emery on both surfaces while the disc is still in the lathe. Rotor machining will leave a grey residue on the face of the disc rotor called graphite. Without thorough cleaning, the graphite will act as a lubricant. It can cause poor stopping performance from any type of brake pad. Clean the disc surfaces with a non-oil based solvent such as Bendix cleaner and parts degreaser, and wipe with a clean rag until there is no grey residue on the rag. Repeat the process after fitting. A thorough wipe down will remove graphite and grease.